Welcome back to Zik the Programming Guy channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to play Roblox without downloading it. So as you can see right here on my screen, I did not actually download this as an app, but I'm going to show you sites that you can actually use to play your Roblox games. Yeah. So the first step you have to take, you just have to open up your browser, Safari, Chrome, Google, anyone you choose, and you're just going to search for easy fun GG Roblox. So you just click on it right there. So you can actually play it on your PC or mobile, as you can see right here. So this is what it's going to look like. So you just click on play now right there, and you have to sign in with your Google or email, anyone you choose. So I'm going to sign in with my Google right here. So sign with this right here. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, so it's signing up already. So it's pretty simple on how to actually do that. So after signing up, you can now play your Roblox. Yeah, so this is actually how to play it without having to download the app. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.